how you doing? I'm Alex from Promonoise. Welcome to today's lesson. Hello, friends from PromoEQP. I've got a good one for you today, and this one's all about productivity shame. You ever heard of that term? Actually, I hadn't until a few weeks ago, and somebody brought it up, and I thought to myself, oh, that is me, a dude who totally suffers from productivity shame. So what is productivity shame? Well, productivity shame is that feeling you get when you feel that you haven't accomplished everything you want to or need to accomplish. I haven't done enough. I haven't put enough effort in. I haven't accomplished this. That didn't get taken care of. I've still got emails in my inbox. And so you absorb this feeling after the day is done or after the week is done that you haven't done what it takes. And that's a terrible feeling. If we live like that week after week, month after month, we can only wonder what damage that's doing to our bodies. So I want to let you know that that feeling is actually kind of natural because it's a paradox that's inherent in who we are as humans. Let's think about it this way. Our goal as humans is to continuously be expanding, to move forward, to achieve new things, to learn, to experience new things. And yet, many of us have this goal of wanting to be happy. I want to be happy, right? As though the two can't coexist. And so if we have things that are undone in our day, I haven't done this, I haven't accomplished that, then we start to feel that our happiness is tied to the achievement of our objectives. And we've got it all wrong. We shouldn't be seeking happiness because of achievement. We should be experiencing happiness as we learn, as we go through the motions. So I am not saying for a second, let yourself off the hook. Don't worry about it. Don't work so hard. It doesn't matter if you don't get everything done. That's not what I'm saying. In your heart, you know what needs to be done. In your heart, you know what your priority list is. And in your heart, you know if you're accountable to your bosses, yourself, your promises, everything that you know that you are going to create and that you are going to fulfill. So, if you're going through your life and you are actually experiencing it and you are doing and maintaining that contract that you have with yourself to the best of your ability, try and see the joy in the moment. Try and really appreciate what it is you're doing right now. Are you serving somebody? Are you learning while you're doing something? Are you fulfilling a task that's amazing for humanity? Are you growing your business, which grows your livelihood, which grows your ability to provide for your family? When you actually engage in an activity in real time, in the present moment, and you let yourself just be, then you will find that joy. The creativity is there. In fact, time will almost seem to slow down, and it will be amazing what you can actually accomplish in the amount of time on which you are working on a project. So what I'm saying is this: stop feeling crappy about what it is you don't accomplish. List your priority list and start working on it in the moment and enjoying life in the moment based on what you're doing. And as you do that, you will find that life flows so much easier. It's easier to get the task done. And you will find a happiness that is concurrent with this exploration, with the work that you're doing, with the action that you are actually embarked in. So that's my tip today for productivity shame and how to get over it. It is all about enjoying the moment, being true to yourself, and absolutely creating magic. Hey, thanks very much, and please check us out at promonoise.com, and please subscribe to our product review channel. It's on YouTube. You can look us up under Promonoise. You will love the product review videos that I am putting forth on a weekly basis. Cool ideas, great ways of using products, always from the heart. Hey, thanks very much. I'm Alex, and I wish you an awesome day.